Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add widgets to your Notion workspace. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring your Notion pages to life with powerful, interactive elements. Plus, I'll be sharing my top 10 free widgets you can try out right away. So whether you want a calendar, a weather forecast, or even a habit tracker right on your dashboard, I've got you covered. Let's dive straight in. First, let's head over to your Notion workspace. If you've just opened Notion, you'll probably see your sidebar with all your pages and dashboards. Take a moment to navigate to the exact page where you want your widget to appear. If you're building a new dashboard, this is a fantastic opportunity to set it up just the way you like. Think of it as creating a command center for your daily life or workflow. The great thing about Notion is how flexible it is, so you can add widgets to your daily planner, a class schedule, a team knowledge base, or anywhere else you want a little extra functionality. Now let's add a widget. Notion makes this super easy with what they call /commands. Click on the spot in your page where you'd like the widget to go, then type embed all as one word. As you're typing, you'll notice Notion auto-completes your command, showing you options just like magic. Select the embed block from the menu. Why does this matter? Well, the embed block is your gateway for bringing almost anything from the web into your Notion page, from widgets and video players to Google Maps and more. It's like giving your Notion workspace a window to the world, letting in just the functionality you need. Here, where the magic really happens, pasting in your widget code. Most free Notion widgets will provide you either with an HTML code or, more often, a simple link made specifically to work with Notion. Just copy that code or link and paste it right into the box that appears after you've added your embed block. Notion will take a moment to load and preview the widget, so don't worry if there's a brief pause. That's just Notion fetching everything it needs to make your widget work perfectly. You might need to resize or move the widget afterward to fit your layout, and that's totally normal. Play around with the sizing handles until it looks just right for you, and that's honestly it. You've added a widget. It might seem almost too simple, but this tiny trick opens up so many possibilities. Want a weather widget to check if you'll need an umbrella for the day, or maybe a Pomodoro timer to boost your productivity? You can add both and more just by repeating these steps. Don't worry if your first try doesn't look perfect. You can always remove and re-embed until you're happy. As promised, here are my picks for the 10 best free Notion widgets to try. Minimalist weather, life progress bar, Google Calendar sync, PomoFocus timer, digital clock, quote of the day, habit tracker, countdown timer, Spotify embed, and custom countdown. Each one adds a unique touch or functionality to your setup, and you can find their links with a quick online search or check the video description where I've added them for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up to let me know. If you have any questions about widgets or Notion tips, drop them in the comments. I love hearing what you're building. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, powerful Notion tutorials every week. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.